Whether you are working from home full-time, in the office full-time, or working hybrid, the need for getting things done has not changed. To do this, you need to be able to visualize your goal, set a plan to get there, and make sure it is accomplished on time. Here are some tips you can use to become more productive and make sure you are getting urgent tasks completed. Set SMART goals. SMART goals is an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-based objectives. If you are wanting to get more done, using the well-known technique SMART goals will make sure you are setting realistic, achievable goals by setting a clear roadmap of how you will reach your intended target. Use a daily list. One way to make sure all of your tasks get completed is by using a daily checklist. Schedule tasks by urgency and importance and make sure you leave a sufficient time gap to allow for unexpected tasks. Complete your most important tasks first. Cross off tasks once completed. Ideally, complete your list on paper, and if something is carried forward for more than a few days, ask yourself how important it is. Time wasters. Working out what is wasting your time is crucial to getting more done. It could be, for example, that your team isn't working on the priority tasks, or even attending meetings you might not need to. Whatever the reason for wasting time, if you track, analyze and reassess how you can do better, it will allow you to take action for improvements. Try completing a time log over a week. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that uses a timer to break down work into intervals. You would start to prep and plan your day, then work a full 25-minute session by completing as much focused work as possible. Next, you should record your progress and take a short break to give your mind the chance to recharge and recover, before repeating another 3 25-minute hard-working sessions. You would then take a longer break. The aim of this method is to allow ourselves to give our best to a task, without the task getting the better of us and causing burnout. Organize and manage emails. To get more work done, you must master the skill of email and inbox management. Make sure you are regularly scheduling time to respond and go through your inbox, as well as unsubscribing and turning off notifications. Read emails in quiet or dead time. Begin to build good habits by setting up and using rules and replying to emails with a simple, "Thanks." Also, make sure to keep emails short and use labels and folders with your inbox to become more organized and productive. Delegate tasks. When you delegate some of your work, you free up your time and achieve more on a daily basis. Delegate anything others can do quicker than you. Anything that helps others develop and grow. Anything that motivates others. Anything others can do better than you. Anything others can do cheaper than you. And tasks that are not your responsibility. The urgency importance matrix is used to help prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. The method helps you understand what activities you should focus on, and those you should delegate or eliminate. It also shows you how to sensibly manage your priorities and optimize your time management. This method is split into 4 sections which show you the important, urgent, and not important or urgent categories. Using the urgency importance matrix, you must first perform tasks that you see as important and urgent. Afterward, you will go on to spend time on activities that are important, but less urgent. Any other activities that are seen as less important or urgent, you can delegate them to another member of staff or discard them altogether. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.